Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we are going to break down the absolutely incredible rapid shift in how artificial intelligence is completely transforming human resources. We're talking about taking HR from being this, frustrating administrative bottleneck and turning it into a high-powered engine for talent velocity. If you operate in this space at all, you already know the friction. You know exactly what it feels like when your vital processes are just totally bogged down by endless paperwork, scheduling nightmares, and answering the exact same questions over and over. So let's unpack exactly how all of that is changing, right now.
Let's just jump right into a systemic pain point I know a lot of you are going to recognize immediately. At one fast-growing tech enterprise, their highly paid senior engineers were spending between 200 to 400 hours every single month just manually reviewing technical tests for new candidates. I mean, think about that for a second. That isn't just a standard productivity drain. That is literally hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, an immense strategic brain power just burned up simply processing top-of-funnel applications.
And if we scale that up, consider the consumer goods giant Unilever. Their recruiters were drowning in 1.8 million applications annually. 1.8 million. This created this massive logistical tax that completely bogged down the entire department and, inevitably, really slowed down the candidate experience. You literally cannot hire enough human recruiters to effectively and fairly read 1.8 million resumes. The friction at that kind of volume is just monumental.
So it really begs the crucial question we're exploring today. Can modern AI tools actually solve this crushing administrative burden without stripping the human element and the empathy out of your company culture? Basically, can we automate the friction without losing the human touch?
To answer that, we're going to map out this transformation across 5 key areas. We'll start by moving beyond simple FAQ bots, look at accelerating talent acquisition, automating internal support, enterprise talent intelligence, and finally, why keeping the human in the loop is more critical than ever.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, Beyond Simple FAQ Bots, the Agentic Shift.
The real paradigm shift we're seeing across the industry right now is this move toward Agentic AI. We are rapidly moving away from those clunky, old-school virtual assistants that just link you to a static PDF when you ask a policy question. Agentic AI actively integrates with your HR and IT systems to execute multi-step requests completely autonomously. We're talking about tools that don't just tell you the leave policy, they actually check your balance, submit the request to your manager, and update the HR system for you. It's a massive shift from simply retrieving information to actually doing the work.
Moving right along to Section 2. Accelerating talent acquisition, compressing the funnel.
The return on investment for building this kind of talent velocity is just massive. Take CodeBridge's multi-agent platform, Recruit AI, for example. By using AI to handle intelligent technical screening right out of the gate, they slashed their time to hire by a full 2 weeks. They dropped from 24 days down to just 10. And even more importantly, their interview-to-offer ratio tripled, hitting 38%. This proves the AI is identifying the absolute right fit much earlier in the funnel, which means your expensive, late-stage human interviews aren't ending in constant rejections. The precision is increasing right alongside the speed.
Now, let's look at how Unilever tackled their massive 1.8 million applicant volume by entirely redesigning their funnel. Step 1 is a gamified cognitive assessment that candidates actually enjoy taking. Step 2 utilizes tools like HireView for AI-powered video screening, which analyzes verbal cues and benchmarks them against top internal performers. This deliberately protects the human recruiter's time. It reserves Step 3, the human final interview, solely for the most promising candidates, allowing your team to focus strictly on assessing complex cultural alignment rather than just baseline competence.
To put the sheer scale of this outcome into perspective, by compressing the middle of the funnel with intelligent AI, Unilever saved an astonishing 70,000 interviewing hours annually. That's over £1 million in direct costs saved. The AI here is acting as a sophisticated protective filter, not just a blind keyword scanner, pulling only the very best talent forward to your human team.
All right, on to Section 3, Automating Internal Employee Support, Zero-Touch Resolution. Think about the endless stream of how do I check my PTO or how do I reset my password emails that HR teams just get constantly bogged down by every single day. Well, as IBM's global workforce scaled, they deployed an agentic assistant called Ask HR powered by Watson X. The result? A 94% containment rate. I mean, think about that scale for a second. That means 94% of routine policy and leave queries were resolved end-to-end without a single human intervention. In 1 year alone, this system seamlessly handled over 11.5 million employee interactions. Mind-blowing, right?
So how do you actually execute this?
Well, depending on your operational scale, the landscape offers some very distinct solutions. If you're a mid-market team needing fast deployment for workflow execution, Workative is a fantastic choice that doesn't require enterprise-level coding. If you're a massive global enterprise, platforms like Moveworks or ServiceNow are built specifically to handle incredibly complex, unified HR and IT ecosystems. And if you're a smaller business just trying to stop answering the same 15 policy questions every morning, a tool like HelpJet gets the job done instantly. The key is really just matching the right tool to your company's reality.
Next up, Section 4, Enterprise Talent Intelligence, Predictive Foresight.
The crucial paradigm shift here is that AI isn't just looking backward at what happened anymore. It's looking forward at what is about to happen. High-level platforms like Workday, SAP SuccessFactors, and Eightfold AI are actively replacing static job titles with dynamic skills graphs. They actually use deep learning to predict employee attrition, flag compliance risks, and actively match your internal talent with new growth opportunities, often before those employees ever seriously think about leaving for a competitor.
We can clearly see the real-world impact of this at Siemens. They successfully leveraged SAP Copilot's predictive risk scoring to move from reactive guessing to proactive intervention. By identifying latent factors contributing to turnover, like subtle role misalignments, they dropped their voluntary turnover by 12% and decreased their time to hire by 30%. They are quite literally fixing problems before they even occur, and that is a massive strategic advantage.
And finally, Section 5, the human in the loop, empathy and governance.
With all this autonomous execution happening in the background, we have to address the elephant in the room. Are we just handing the keys over to the machines? The answer is a definitive, absolute no. As the AI Productivity Lab so aptly points out, AI handles the repetitive administrative tasks, but strategic decisions require human judgment and empathy. Every successful case study we've discussed today maintains a mandatory human decision gate at final hiring or approval points. AI doesn't replace HR professionals, it just eliminates the administrative drag. It frees your team up so they can focus entirely on high-level strategy, complex interpersonal relationships, and authentic human empathy.
I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought to take away from this explainer today. Take a hard look at your current HR technology stack. Ask yourself honestly, are you truly accelerating talent velocity and freeing your people to do meaningful work? Or are you just doing manual paperwork a little bit faster? The organizations that adopt true agentic AI solutions right now are going to build an insurmountable competitive advantage in the years to come. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive.